All right, so we're replacing shingle X. We're doing a repair assessment on it. We've got the shingles labeled 1 through 7. We got corresponding up there, 1 through 7. Ignore the 8. We're looking for crease, rip, nail pull through, material transfer, and granule loss. And so as I'm doing the assessment, any of those types of damages that we come across on any of these other shingles, we're going to note that up there. So first step, we're going to remove this shingle X. So we've got to break the seal under here so we can access the nails up here. Alright, so we got material transfer under here on 2. So if you can put that on 2, we'll get a close up of it. You can see the material transfer where it's coming off the top of that shingle. We're also, about to lose my hammer, but we're also getting a nail pull through. And so you can see right here, if you look at that nail, how it's kind of pushed through. And it's doing the same thing right here. I felt it when I was trying to break that seal. Yeah, you can't even see the nail head, it's right there. But we got material transfer on this one too, so that's still shingle 2. We're not going to write it down again, but we'll mark it. Alright, so all these have been broken, so now we got to do the same thing up here on 6. And this tab of 5, so that we can start removing the nails. There'll be a nail right here, a nail right here, right there, and right there. Same thing, big material transfer right there. Nail pull through, we're not going to mark that because this is shingle X that we're replacing anyway. 2. There you go, top, since that shingle's moving away. Alright, same thing here. Same thing. See that nail pull through again. All this material transfer. We get a lot of material transfer. So did you write it on 6? Did you write it on 6? Wow, look. That one literally just went all the way through 5. So a tear right there. 6. A bunch of material transfer. And then pull through again. Oh, a chunk of it is.
Nail pull through on which one? 6?
No, that nail
the
pull through is
X.
on X. Yeah.
What was your tear on 6?
Same thing. Tear on 6. Material transfer on 5. And then come look at this one. Material transfer right there. All right, now we remove these nails. Be removed. Nail head came off. This nail head came off too. All right, so now we got to break the seal on 7 and remove those nails because those nails are still holding it in. Material transfer on 6 and 7. Same thing. Material transfer, underside too. Nails out. All right, should come out now. Let's take a look at it up here. We'll be able to see a lot of the material transfer, which will be on the underside of shingle 6. And then over here would be shingle 5, that big chunk missing right there. And then if we look at the other side, yeah, you can see where it peeled off onto shingle 2. All right, now slide right up in there. All right, and now before we nail this in, I do want to go over all the damage that we've had so far before we even, lifted a shingle to nail it. So 2, we had material transfer under here. You can see that really easily. We're gonna have to re-nail that because that nail pull through. So we got material transfer on 2. We've got 5 had material. So underside of 5, We had a phone overheat, but we switched back. Underside of 5, got like a big chunk right here that you can see. We got these rips in shingle 6. Rip here. Material transfer underneath shingle 6. There. And then same thing on 7, material transfer. So all that was before we nailed anything back in. So now we're gonna start nailing. All right. You can see the granule loss as it's kind of, pulling up there. All right, first shingle back in. All right, then I'm gonna re-nail 2 places. So there's definitely some granule loss because you can see on this new shingle different kind of granules we got there. So like if you look at this one, it doesn't have any on it. Let's see what it looks like. Got a little bit on it now.